Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, what is the present worth of a series of 15 annual payments of $1,000 each when the first payment is now and the interest rate is 5% compounded monthly? Now let's see how to do that. So first of all, this is the formula. IE is equal to 1 plus R over M power M minus 1 is equal 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 power 12 minus 1 equal to 0.05116. Okay, now this is the formula, and actually this formula and 0.005 because 5% annual, so it's 12 minus 1, and that gives us this one. Okay, so we found out IE is equal to 5.116%. Now from this one, we can, since this is the present worth of series, we use this one, P over A, 5.116%, and 15 annual payment, so it happens after the first annual, so it means 14. That's equal to 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I times 1 plus I power n. This is equivalent to 1 plus 5.116%, so that's 0.05116 power 14 minus 1 divided by 0.05116 times 1 plus 0.05116 power 14. That's equivalent to 9.8256. Okay, now let's continue here. IE is IE, and here P over A, I 14. Now IE is 5%, and this value we found out that is 9.8. This is 9.8986 for 5%, and for 6% it is 9.2950. So we want to know what is for 5.116%. To find this one out, we can use this formula, 0.5116 minus 0.05 over 0.06 minus 0.05. That is equivalent to, this is what we are trying to find, minus 9.8986 over 9.2950 minus 9.8986, and that gives us 9.828. Okay, that's it. Now the next thing is, okay, this is 1000, and this one is 0, 1, 2, and this one is 1000. Here is P. So P is equal to 1000 plus 1000 times 9.828. That is equivalent to $10,826. So this is what we are trying to find. What is the present worth of a series of 15 annual payments of $1,000 each when the first payment is now and the interest rate is 5% compounded monthly? That is P is equal to $10,826. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.